Welcome to our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. My English Book 2, Standard 2, 1.4. Let's revise. Before starting the video, please do subscribe our channel 4G School for your more educational videos. And do not forget to share with your friends. Let's start today's activity 1.4. Let's revise. Look at the picture and tell their names. Cup,
Cup,
cup.
cup,
Elephant,
elephant,
elephant.
elephant,
Kite,
kite,
kite.
kite,
Cap,
cap,
cap.
cap,
Trees,
trees,
trees.
trees,
Birds,
birds,
birds.
birds,
Eye,
eye,
eye. Glass,
glass,
glass.
glass,
Monkey,
monkey,
monkey.
monkey,
Hand,
hand,
hand.
hand,
Top,
top,
top.
top,
Fan,
fan,
fan.
fan,
Pan,
pan,
pen.
pan,
Van,
van,
van.
van,
Box,
box,
box.
box,
Umbrella,
umbrella,
umbrella.
umbrella,
Table,
table,
table.
table,
Watch,
watch,
watch.
watch,
Zip,
zip,
zip.
zip,
Star,
star,
star.
star,
Hen,
hen,
hen.
hen,
Sun,
sun,
sun.
sun,
Ball,
ball,
ball.
ball,
Peacock,
peacock,
peacock.
peacock,
Ducks,
ducks,
ducks.
ducks.
So this is the end of today's activity. Hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to like this video and share with your friends. इन तमाम तस्वीरों के नाम आप याद कीजिए और हमारी इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों और सहेलियों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए. एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल 4G School. टिल देन,
Bye bye.